Our first lesson is about how to time travel. Time travel is actually a real thing that people can do. People have already done it. They're called astronauts. Because the faster you travel through space, the slower you travel through time. That's what Albert Einstein figured out. Albert Einstein taught us that the universe exists in 4 dimensions. To understand how to time travel, we need to understand that time is a part of the universe. It is the 4th dimension. We can understand the concept of dimensions by looking at a photograph. A photograph takes up 2 dimensions. It has height and width only. A sculpture has 3 dimensions, height and width, and depth. But it is not moving. We live in a universe where things change. The Earth rotates on its axis, and the sun seems to move across the sky, turning from day to night. This change is a result of time. Time is the 4th dimension. Each second that passes will add another layer to the dimension of time.
Einstein basically tells us, think of the movie Real. So you have all these little pictures. Now cut them apart one by one and stack them on top of each other. You get this pile, and if you go up in the pile, you go up in time. And now kind of glue them all together into one big block. And that block has both space and time. And that's the space-time continuum.
The universe is made up of these blocks of space-time. And as we move faster through space, we travel slower through time. This fact helps to explain why gravity works. Have you ever wondered how the Earth can pull on the moon from so far away? Or how can the sun pull the Earth? Einstein discovered that the faster you travel through space, the slower you travel through time. So, the Earth is traveling through space very quickly. It spins around at about 1,000 miles an hour, and it moves around the sun at around 67,000 miles an hour. Its high speed means that it is also traveling slower through time, creating a kind of dent in space-time. These dents in space-time are the cause of gravity. GPS navigation systems use this to track your location on the globe. This is an indisputable fact about how the universe works. This idea explains a lot about how planets and stars work in the universe, but there is a problem because it does not explain how the very small things work. We can't seem to find gravity at the level of protons and electrons. People in your time still need to figure it out, and that will be the key to traveling backwards in time. This is all covered in the science of physics, which is just incredible. We will talk more about it later. Anyways, a black hole will create a dent in space-time so deep, we can use it to travel backwards in time. For our next lesson, we are going to travel back 2 million years to learn how humans were able to conquer the animal kingdom and rise to the top of the food chain.